Oh, look at you out here. You're a bit new. Hello. Hello, guys. I know you guys. But look at you. Hi. Aren't you lovely? Hello, mister. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want some food? Well, here you go. Do you want some food? Here you go. Want to come down here? Lil's doing it. Not that you're meant to be eating seed, mind you. Yeah, I know. This is what we can do if you like. Did you want to come down here too? Jace. Oh my gosh. I've got you guys. I don't want you guys. I want that one to come up. Not that I don't love you guys, but this one's the one I'm trying to... Okay. All right. Tell you what. Why don't you guys just hop down for me for a second? Lil, can you just hop down? Yeah, hop down. I'll put that there. There you go. Why don't you come over here, sweetheart? Come on. Put some in here. And then I'll put some up here. Oh. And I'll put some here for you. There you go. There you go, darling. Yeah, beautiful one. Num, 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 num. That's okay. That's okay. Look, there's always more. There's always more. When you're new, you can have whatever you want. Yeah, when you're new, you can have whatever you like. You're special. It's okay. We do it again. Yeah. Over here. Come on. I'll blow it. I'll just have to just go to town. Hello, darling little thing. So cute. Here we are, darling. Here we are, look. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Oh, Lil, there's heaps here. I know. There you go. We've got seed everywhere. Whee! Oh my gosh. You're so beautiful. Hi. Aren't you? You're lovely. Yes, you are, mister. A male Australian King Parrot. Being bugged by locust. Oh, Lil. Hello, darling. You're very beautiful. Aren't you, sweetheart? Did you want some from there? There you go. That's the way to do it. Yes, yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. Here you go. I'll tell you what. I'll put it here behind you. Come here. Come here. Aren't you beautiful? Come here. Here you go. Look.